Happy Yarnie Yule! Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and if you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about stretching your craft dollar by being affordably crafty. It's July 1st. Happy birthday to me! Yay! And also, the start of my first feature of Yarnie Yule. So this month, summer edition, I am going to be featuring lots of fun Yarnie Yule projects that you can accomplish this summer to get ahead of the curve for December. So yeah, that's going to be a feature this month on the channel. There will also be a giveaway pertaining to Yarnie Yule at the end of July that I will talk about more in depth as that gets closer. I'm still going to have my feature on Thursday of vintage crochet, so that won't change, but most of the other content is going to revolve around Yarnie Yule. I'm already super excited about this topic and can't wait to share with you all the fun things that I have come up with and found. So the first project that we're going to do together is the sign. I'm going to show you how I did this project. And again, Dollar Tree project. Not affiliated with the Dollar Tree. I just love it. Deals. So yeah, so most of this month it's going to be about Yarnie Yule. And please add my, or give me a friend request or whatever on Facebook for my Facebook group, Affordably Crafty, where we can all share our photos of projects that we're doing. Now, a lot of these projects, because it's hot out, are not going to be like, I'm not going to be concentrating on like big Afghans and sweaters and stuff at this time for summer. So it's going to be fun, interesting, and mostly quick projects that you can work on to get a jump on Yarnie Yule. But I'm super excited about this topic. So yeah, happy birthday to me. And I'm super excited about Yarnie Yule. Also, hashtag Christmas in July Fairies is still going on. So that closes on my channel on July 15th. I'll be picking the winner and sending it to Dana's Wanderlust Crochet for the grand prize. So you need to go to the Christmas in July Fairies video on my page. I'll link it down below. And like, subscribe, and comment. And then I will pick a winner off of the comments on my page. That person will get a prize from me, and then you'll be entered into Dana's drawing. So the more pages that you like, subscribe, and comment on, the more chances you have to get into the main drawing. So if you are my winner and then you go to another channel and you're their winner, then you have 2 chances to win. And I think as of now, there's almost 150 channels that are participating. And each person will be giving the winner something. I don't know if it's gift card or it's going to be different based on channel, but you'll be getting lots of mail from all types of interesting places. So yeah, happy Christmas in July Fairies. So again, my winner will be drawn on July 15th. Like, subscribe, and comment on my video. I'll link down below. And then Dana will be drawing her grand prize winner on the 25th. I really hope that whoever wins the grand prize is able to film and like unbox all the wonderfulness that's going to come to them, because I can't wait to see what people get and send. So yeah, that's super exciting. And yep, let me know how you feel about Yarnie Yule. If you have any ideas for Yarnie projects that you want to see done here on the channel for Yarnie Yule. So yeah, everybody have a super awesome day. Happy July 1st. Oh, happy Canada Day for the people from Canada. And yep, that's pretty much me. So again, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share if you're so inclined. And I will see you back here later today for my first Yarnie Yule project. The bunting sign. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I made the letters for my banner. Again, to remind you, this banner piece made out of burlap. 6 come in a package at the Dollar Tree. You can either get the triangular ones or this type. I got a mixture. So on this one, I am going to be putting the letter E. And for that, you're going to need any color yarn you want. And I'm just using a plastic needle, but you can use anything the yarn's going to fit through. Just have a fairly big length and then tie a knot in the bottom that's not going to go through this burlap. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold this in half and kind of generally figure out where is the center. So the center is here. So I want to start my E over here, and I'm just going to pick a spot. I didn't go above these 2 grommets on any of my letters, so I'm going to try and keep that consistent. I'm going to go up 1 more. And then I'm going to have to pick how wide I want it to be. Now the good thing is you can count this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go with 7. I'm going to make it 7 wide. So I'm going to sew through that. And then come in the same side that you came out of just to conserve yarn. Again, stretch your dollar. So you're going to keep going back and forth like this, going in the side you came out of until you get down to about here. So I am going to do that and I'll be right back. See you in a minute. So what I did is I went all the way over to here. I just picked a random spot. And then I put my yarn over here. And then I went across here. And then I went back up here and then across over here. I made sure that this and this lined up in the same spot so it looked even. But that's my E. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to tie off my yarn in the back. So I am going to go through this with the tapestry needle, pull the yarn through, go through the loop, pull that through, and then I'm going to go through the loop on the bottom made by doing that, and I'm going to go through again. Now you're going to want to pull this tight but not too tight, because if you pull it too tight it will rip this burlap, trust me. Alright, so now I'm going to cut that off, the yarn in the back, and I am going to rethread the needle with this yarn and I'll be right back. So I have rethreaded my needle with that. I love this yarn. I think I love this cotton. Black with this green metallic in it. And what I'm going to now do is add the outline. So I'll show you how I do that. So just pick a corner. Doesn't really matter. And this one. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in and out of every square. So I'll just do a couple to show you. We're just sewing around for a border. So So you're just going to keep sewing around. And again, make sure you don't pull too tight, because this burlap will break if you yank on it too much. So be kind of gentle about it. So I'm just going in and out of every one, as you can see. And again, you can do this any color you want. You could do this with embroidery thread. You could make the pennants out of fabric and use a regular metal needle. But I like this burlap because it comes with a grid. So it's a lot easier for me just to eyeball and do quickly. Now it does come with twine that you can put it on, but I'm going to be putting it up on some holiday colored thread, oops, I missed one. So all you do is you go back up here, back through the one you just went in, and you go back down the one you missed. It's really forgiving and easy to fix. All right, I'm going to keep going around this letter, and I will join you back to put the sign together. Okay, see you in a... Hello. So I have finished my letter E. I outlined it in the black with the metallic thread, and I tied it off. So now I'm going to show you how I string up these burlap flags, I guess, for lack of a better term. And I am going to use this cotton, which I've had for a really long time and don't have the band anymore, so I can't remember what brand it is, but I definitely know it's cotton. So I'm going to take my first letter. Oh, hold on, I'm going to find the end first. And again, this comes with twine, but I kind of like how this looks better. So you're going to go in this hole. Oh, hold on a second. I forgot the most important part. To make it easier, you're going to want to thread it on a needle, because that's going to make it a lot easier and less fussy to go through the grommets. It'll make your life a lot easier. So you're going to go through this side here and around the back and out the other grommet. So the goal here is to have this part, the string, be behind it like that. So I'm going to string up the rest of the letters, and so this is what they look like all strung together. I am not going to cut this until I get it hung up. So I'm going to hang it up, and then I will show you the finished product. Be back in a minute. Happy Yarnie Yule. So this is what the finished signs look like. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see how they look together. And I think they came out pretty cute. So again, this is going to be the feature this month on my channel, Affordably Crafty, Yarnie Yule Summer Edition. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when anything happens, and share if you're so inclined, and give me a like, a thumbs up. You can also add my Facebook group, Affordably Crafty, and share your pictures of projects you're doing for Yarnie Yule. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.